Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to use Amazon's North America remote fulfillment. Let's get into it. If you are following along from my screen, expanding your Amazon business across North America is straightforward with Amazon's North America Remote Fulfillment, Narf. This program allows you to sell your US-based FBA inventory to customers in Canada and Mexico without needing to maintain separate inventories in those countries. To get started, log into your Seller Central account. Click on the burger menu in the top left corner, navigate to the inventory section, and then click on Remote Fulfillment with FBA. From there, go to the Marketplace Enrollment option. Here, you can enroll your account in Narf. Once enrolled, your eligible U.S. inventory will be available for sale on Amazon.ca and Amazon.com.mx. Amazon handles all the cross-border logistics, shipping your products directly from U.S. fulfillment centers to customers in Canada and Mexico. Remember to review and optimize your product listings for these new marketplaces, potentially updating descriptions for French in Canada and Spanish in Mexico. Also, monitor your pricing as Amazon automatically converts your prices into local currencies, but you'll want to ensure they remain competitive. Narf fees include a cross-border fulfillment fee added to your standard FBA fees, so make sure to account for these in your pricing strategy. Regularly check your sales and performance metrics in Seller Central and adjust your inventory and pricing strategies based on the demand in these new markets. Narf is a powerful way to expand your reach across North America efficiently. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.